Hello, my busy homemakers. How are you today? And today we are going to talk about we're going to expand the definition of home organizing. Now, I am Deb. You are in the office with Deb. I am your home organizer, your home consultant, your decluttering person, and your household hacks queen. Now, home organizing to me is a lot more than just taking the canned goods in your pantry and organizing them by beans, frozen vegetables, or chili, whatever it may be. I believe it's more than that because take the word home. What do you think of? You think of family, you think of friends, you think of getting together in your kitchen, you think of outdoors, you think of having a picnic table in the yard where you can spend outdoors with your family. You think of the flowers growing in your yard so that they look pretty for your guests. You want the kids to have fun. You've got a play swing or a sandbox or a pool, whatever it is. That's what we think of when we think of home. Now, come with organizing. We think of grouping things together. Grouping things together to make it look nice. Now, I'm going to expand on this more because, as you know, today we started the Decluttering and Organizing Your Kitchen for Efficiency group. We got our first assignment in the group today, and we are working on that. So we're going to expand on this a little bit more. And why I'm expanding on this right now is because most of us have got the nicer weather last week and this week, even though it's the end of September and the first week of October. We've got that nice weather going on. Now, that has given me and others the opportunity to get some outside work done, get some repairs done that maybe you would have put off till next spring, but the weather's been nice, so you're doing them outside now. Now, I'm going to go ahead and say that, now let's say you're doing a project, like in your yard. You want it to look nice, you're putting out maybe some little nice bricks and putting a landscaping fabric under it. You're putting them out, you're making like a nice little area by the fence because you don't want the grass growing in there. You want to be able to, it's a little area, you just want to block it off. Or maybe you want to add those little white rocks underneath your fence. You want to add those. So now what I'm going to say is that go ahead and, you know those little white rocks? Grouping all those together is actually organizing. Yes, it's actually organizing, and I'll tell you why. You're grouping all those little rocks together, maybe under your fence or whatever it is, because you want that to look nice. You're not going to mix it up with pink rocks, purple rocks, gold rocks, unless you want to do a nice experiment. But you want to organize all those white rocks together. And on the other side, you got your nice little bricks, or maybe the bricks going through the garden that you got them all organized in a pattern. See what I mean about home organizing? That's why I expanded the definition. Now, okay, let's say you're having something repaired. Oh, let's just say you decided you're going to get, I don't know, maybe a new garage window or something. It wasn't looking good. You get a new garage window. So you take it, your husband says, well, I want a shelf on the garage window. It's like, okay, fine. So now he gets his garage window. He's got his shelf on the window. And he's putting his little containers of maybe nails or whatever it is, or screws so if he has it. He's got another little box with maybe electrical tape in it or whatever it is. That's organizing. He got his new window. He got that before winter set in. He was going to get it the following spring, but the weather's been nice. So you got your window, you got that in. He's organizing his shelf. Now he's in the garage. He's expanding and working on more because he's happy. He's got his window, he got his shelf. Then he's like, oh, I'll put this here, put this away, move this around, put this over there. Because once you start organizing, it explodes. You want to do more because you're happy with the way it looks. So that's what I mean about expanding the definition of home organizing. Home organizing. I don't care whether it's a repair job. You got a furnace, you're getting a new furnace, whatever it is. Once that furnace is done, you're organizing around that furnace. Maybe if it's a little closed area, you're hanging up hooks so you can hang a broom on the other side. And you're making it look nice. That's what I mean by expanding the definition. Because I don't care what repair project you do, you go ahead and you get it done. You get it done, and then after it's done, you're like, well, I don't like that there. I'm going to put this there. I got to put this back, and you're changing it all up. You're cleaning it. It's all organized. Once that repair's done, you got everything organized, put away. The brooms are hung up next to the furnace, whatever it is. It's done. That's home organizing. Now, go ahead. Let me know. What are you organizing inside or out of your house? I don't care if you're putting in little rocks all in your garden or if you're putting the wood chips, the wood mulch. That's organizing. You're organizing it to make it look nice. You're not just throwing it in and putting it anywhere. You're organizing it. So, now let me know if you still want to join the kitchen club because we just started today. That's going to go for 4 weeks. That's going to go all this month because we're getting ready for our holiday baking. We can't wait to get in our newly vibrant, inspiring kitchens. Then we're going to want to bake those bat cookies and bake those ghosts and woo, make some witch's brew and everything else. So let me know if you want to join that and let me know. What are you organizing, taking advantage of either in this nice weather or in your home? And if you got a repair job done, and think about that repair job. Did you organize anything around that new repair or something? Chances are you did. Ladies, thank you so much, and I will see you in the group.